Hello guys, welcome back. This is the Leak Math Tutor. If this is the first time you are watching, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that next time you may see the new update. Today we are looking at the exponential equation. Exponential equation can be expressed. For example, if you have this equation, 3 power x equals 81. X is unknown, whereby x is also an exponential. This is the way exponential looks like. So the way we can solve this kind of question, what you have to do, you have to make the equation to have same base. What do I mean base? Base is more like, as you can see, 3 is common. So what you have to do, you have to deduce this 81 to be base 3. So in which it will be 3 power x equals 3 power 4. Because 3 power 4 it is 81. So 3 power x equals 3 power 4, in which the bases are same. What you have to do, you have to get the powers, in which it will be x equals 4. Example 2, we are told that to solve the equation in which it is 2 power x plus 2 power 1 minus x is equals to 3. So here what you have to do, this one is already simplified. We have to simplify this one here, in which it will be 2 power x plus, here there is a multiplication of two numbers, which is a 2 power 1 multiplied by 2 power minus x, which is equals to 3. We all know that 2 power minus 1, it is equals to 1 over 2. So we have to take this one into positive indices, in which it will be 2 power x plus 2 power 1 multiplied by 1 over 2 power x, which is equals to 3. Then here 2x plus 2 multiplied by 1, which is 2 over 2 power x is equals to 3. So here this is where you let p equals 2 power x. So we have to substitute where there is 2 power x with p, in which it will be, here there is p plus 2 over p, which is equals to 3. So here what's common, it is p. 1 into p times p, which is p squared, plus p into p, which is 1 times 2, which is 2, equals 3. So here this is where you cross multiply, in which it will be p squared plus 2 is equals to p times 3, which is 3p. So we have to correct the right term, in which it will be, because we are solving the equation, in which it will be p squared minus 3p plus 2 is equals to 0. Here now this is where you look for product and sum. This is a quadratic equation. You have to look for two numbers such that when you multiply, it will give you positive 2, and then when you subtract or add, it will give you negative 3. So the number which we have, it is p squared minus p minus 2p plus 2 is equals to 0. because when we multiply negative 1 times the negative 2, which is 2, then when we add negative 1 minus 2, it is negative 3. So here, let's factorize now. What's common? You factor out what's common, which is p, open brackets, then p into p, which is p minus 1, close bracket. Here, what's common? It is minus 2, open 2 into 2 will remain with p. So p minus, because negative times positive, it is negative. So we remain with the 2 into 2, which is 1, equals to 0. So p minus 2, p minus 1 equals to 0. Then p equals 2, or p equals to 1. And now let's conclude the answer in which it will be. Then 2 power x is equal to 2. 2 power x is equal to 2. So here there is a power 1. So other x it is equals to 1. When p equals to 1, here we are going to have 2 power x equals to 1. So we have to make the equation to have the same base, in which it will be 2 power x equals to 2 power 0, because any number to the power 0, it is 1. So here we have same base, so we have to get the powers in which it will be x equals 0. So here we have two answers, x equals 1 or x equals 0. This is our two answers. Thank you for watching.